If a formula contains error, the result of the formula will be incorrect. All the commands related to formula auditing can be found in the Formula Auditing group of the Formulas tab. To trace precedence to a cell containing a formula, that is, to trace the cells that supply values to the formula in a cell, click on the cell containing the formula and click on the Trace Precedence command. A line will be drawn joining the cells that supply values to the selected cell. In this case, G2 supplies value to J2, and you can see that in the formula bar. To show all the cells that depend on a selected cell to arrive at their value, click on the Trace Dependence command. In this example, J4 and I4 depends on G4 to arrive at the results in the cells. You can use the Remove Arrows command to remove arrows. To show the formulas in the cells instead of the results, click on the Show Formulas command. You can toggle this command. In Excel, background error checking is turned on by default. If you enter a wrong value here, say an alphabet instead of a number, you get the green mark at the upper left corner of the affected cells. If you click on a cell marked with error, you get this sign. This is the same with the error checking command on the Formula Editing group. To trace error, click on Trace Error. You will be pointed to the source of the error. You can also remove arrows. A circular reference is a situation where a cell containing a formula is also involved in the same formula. For example, cell A1 contains the number 1 and cell B1 contains a formula equal to A1 plus B1. This is a circular reference. It is possible that this is the result of an error, or you want to carry out an iterative calculation. To find out if your formula has circular reference, select the cell containing your formula, click on the Formulas tab, select the Error Checking command, and click on Circular Reference. Cell B1 contains the circular reference. If you want to carry out an iterative calculation, get to the Backstage view, click on Options, select Formulas, and check the Enable Iterative Calculation checkbox. Click OK, and now you have 100. To evaluate a formula step by step, click on the cell where you have the formula and click on the Evaluate Formula command. You can step in, step out, and evaluate. You can set up a watch window for a particular cell so that you can see how the value of that cell changes as you update your workbook. Assume we have our expenditure field on sheet 2. Let's hide this. You can set up a watch window for the records on the balance field. To set up a watch window, click on the watch window command. Click Add Watch. Select the cell you want to watch. Click Add. It has been added to our watch window. If we make changes to the expenditure, the value in that cell will be updated, and we can see that on the watch window. You can add more watches. If you go back to sheet 1, you will find the value on the watch window is the same as the value in that cell.